nature. It's all around us. The floor we stand on, the earth we live on, it's all nature. Even though us humans have made many structures, but those are out of nature. As for we call it semi-natural. But focusing on nature here, this tree is nature. We are nature. We are living and natural. Take a look at that plant, for instance. It's nature. Take a look at the floor. It's nature. Take a look at everything around us. Nature. And some things are semi-natural, but still. So, we're going to introduce you to the wonderful world of nature.
Liquid is a substance that flows freely, but it has a consistent volume, having a consistency like that of water or oil. It can be in large amounts such as the ocean or in small amounts, for example, a river. Liquid can be oil, water, etc. It is usually very runny, but can be very thick and move very slowly. Some water you're drinking today could be dinosaur spit because dinosaurs drink the same water we drink today. The water we drink today could have stayed in ice for millions of years.
Well, a cloud is water vapor that goes up into the atmosphere, mainly known as the sky. A cloud is also densed into tiny water droplets or ice crystals that appear in shapes we can see above the ground. It is technically water on Earth that evaporates and rises up to the sky.
Trees are getting demolished at an incredible rate. In fact, an equivalent of 15 football fields per minute are getting destroyed. Sometimes bushes have berries in them. Berries can be poisonous but can also be edible, although I don't advise you to eat them. Aboriginals ate berries, but they knew which ones were edible and ones that were poisonous. They used the poisonous berries to create dyes and colour things. Some berries were also used to make flavour for the food Aboriginals ate.
These galahs, a species of cockatoo, and that's a species of bird, are found all over Australia. Here in NSW, or in Sutherland Public School, we found some eating the scraps. These pink necks of theirs have no real use, as for we don't know. These crows in the basketball court of SPS are feeding as well. This magpie came and scared the crow away. This thing is called survival of the fittest.
I love watching lizards because they like eating flies the most, and they know their way around the place where they are the best creature on land that eat bugs and flies. The tokay gecko lays soft eggs that harden the dry air and stick to the surface on which they're laid. The sandstone gecko lays eggs in rocky crevices, so these eggs have a tough cover.
We are ruining nature in lots of ways. For example, this piece of rubbish here. It's left there for animals to pick on, and then they suffocate. The turtles in the ocean, they swim through the ocean, and then suddenly there's a plastic bag wrapped around their head. They suffocate. Once they suffocate, animals die, and then soon turtles and lots of other animals will become extinct. These animals will then lead to our Earth dying, and then since our Earth dying, there's no carbon dioxide, there's no oxygen being produced by nature, and then that leads to a mass extinction.
Steve Irwin once said, "I hate crocodile skin being turned into belts and chairs, for they are being killed for no reason." Well, hunting is a big problem in the world, and governments should enforce laws for no hunting animals, endangered, and help them instead.
Semi-nature means that one object's materials is made by nature, but the object itself is made by humans. This is a seat. The metal is created by nature, but as said nature was taken by humans, and this metal was turned into seats. Another example are these. This used to be a tree. When said tree got chopped down and then created into this. The same goes for these three poles. Or these are semi-nature. Because they're indigenous, so they're very sacred.
This is a garden orb weaving spider. They can be small or big. They live up to their name as they are found in gardens. They can bite humans, but don't hurt that much. They are not venomous, which is a good thing.
Because they have so many scales and they're fast. As you can see, if you move fast, like that. And also, it likes to eat flies and ants. And it can also dig. So that's why I like lizards.
Is red capsicum. It is used for many foods, and it's obviously edible. It is also one of my favorite foods. This is passion fruit. It is not so ripe yet. This is another passion fruit. It's kind of ruined down there, but it's nearly ripe. It is also one of my favorite foods.
Yes, Jack?
These are baby tomatoes. They're not so ripe yet, but they will be soon. I love these foods. I put them in all breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Nature. We showed you all about it. It's a wonderful thing.